Hi guys, I'm Jess, and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching. It's the morning here in Arizona. We got up just a little bit late today, so we didn't really get to see the sunrise. Still pretty out. Let's had breakfast. I am sporting a hat, coat, and shorts. I have not thrown pants on yet, but it does feel pretty chilly. Yeah. Hi. We're gonna pack up here and then probably find a hike to do. Yeah. We're at the trailhead. We paid for parking. We're ready to go. All right, let's go. We're entering the secret wilderness. Are you excited, Hudson? Very flat so far. We just have started, but we're just walking into the woods. It's my outfit of the day. Already getting some cool looks. Some cool views of the rock. My shadow's super long right now. So we are getting some cool views. We're still super close to a residential area right over there. So you can hear construction going on. Kind of interesting. Whew, look at that view. It is beautiful. And yet you see we're about to pretty much walk over the roof of this house. So, I just stepped in a puddle. It is 43 out. I unzipped my coat. Definitely glad that I did not wear pants. I might even take my coat and hat off because I'm starting to get hot. Whew. So we took a little turn off the trail. This is like a little side hike that you can do. We're gonna see what it takes us to. This trail is really winding us through these trees in pretty tight areas. We hear lots of people, so apparently we're in the right area. We're almost there. Sounds like they're coming from above. There was a person up on that ledge, so I'm guessing we can get up there. There's people climbing all around here. We're gonna get up there. Come on, buddy. All right, we gotta climb this. Okay. Good job, dude. Good job. You're good. You're good. Okay. Okay, ready? Let's go. Up. Okay. 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 I'm gonna sit down here. All right, relax. I'm gonna put this away and I'm gonna help you. Okay. Come here. Ready? Come on. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Good boy. Thank you. Wow, dude. All right, you want to sit? Sit. Good boy, stay. Stay right there. Stay on the inside. Good job. Wow, stay up here. Good job, buddy. Good job. Hold on. Come here. Okay, sit. Oh, goodness. This is crazy, huh? This is crazy. Stay back here. Holy hell. This is awesome, Huts. This is awesome. All right, stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Come on. Absolutely incredible. Incredible. We're just gonna relax for a minute. I'm so proud of this dude for coming up here. How freaking sweet is this, guys? He did awesome. Absolutely awesome. It was a lot of work to get up to this little area, but so freaking cool. Glad we came over here. I'm stoked. Getting down is gonna be a struggle. I'm probably not gonna be able to film it, but I'm so proud of him for climbing up here. Good job, dude. Good job. You are an athlete. Amazing. You might be able to climb back down that way. It looks kind of easier. Check this out. How cool, dude. How cool. You did great. You did so awesome, Huts. Come here. Good job. You want a treat? We'll get you a treat. Huh? You want a cookie? Yeah, that was good water. Good boy. Good water, good cookie. Good job, dude. This place is so cool. I'm gonna keep going around the corner. Okay, good boy. Wait. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Good job, buddy. Hi, pup. Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh, bud? Leave it. Okay. All right, sit. Sit. Sit down. Good boy. Stay right there. Sit. Sit. You're in the right chair. You're in the right chair. Good boy. And sit. Good boy. Come here, let's go see if we can go a little further. Hold on, hey, up here, come here. We're not going any further than this, yeah. Stay, back up. Oh, some new cactus, nice. Super cool, bud. All right, we're gonna hike out of here. Uh-huh. Got a copter flying up there, huh? All right, you ready to hike out of here, boo? Let's go. These are like the ruins up here. Huh? You wanna go and see what's inside here? Look. Ooh, come here. It's like a little cave dwelling. That's pretty cool. All right, we're getting out of here. Come here. Let's try and go down this way. Good boy. Yeah, this was easier, huh? Good job. Good job. There's the boy. We're just heading back to the main trail. Hudson's off-roading. We gotta go this way. Come here. Come here. Oh, no, he's crying about it. Okay. I will adjust. Don't worry. All right, come on. Back on the main trail. All right, time to finish this hike. I'm sure it's not going to be as cool as that cave was, but we'll see. The end of the trail. Hudson. This is the end of Boynton Canyon Trail. Stay right there. I know, you see the light, just stay. That's it. End of the trail. Let's go. So if you know me, you would find it hilarious that I've given 2 different groups directions on this hike. I'm not the person to ask for directions, but actually with all trails, I did know where to send them. So, yeah, I guess I'm now the direction person. We're almost back at the beginning. I'd say we got about 15 to 20 minutes left of hiking, and then we'll be back. We made it, Huts. We're back. We're back to the parking lot. Good job, dude. Alright, hold on. Don't get hit. Don't get hit. Good boy. Woohoo! Parking lot is way busier than when we got here. We're gonna load up and get out of here. I think there's someone trying to park. Hey, back to the car. Good job, dude. Good job. Woo-hoo! Made it back to the car. Daily feelings update. I'm feeling freaking great today. That hike was awesome. That cave was awesome. Feeling really good mentally. I think exercising just makes you, nature. At least makes me like that. So mental health today, maybe 8 or 9, like super good. Feeling really good today. Not feeling lonely. I've talked to my mom on the phone for like 10 minutes after I finished hiking, but I pretty much have just been like hiking most of the morning, and that has been my day, and I'm feeling really good. We're back at this campsite, which looks busy, but we're gonna drive in and hopefully get away from this crowd. Right now, it looks like we're stuck behind 2 RVs. We're back at the exact same spot that we were yesterday, or this morning. So, sweet, no one took it. Good deal. We really had to drive back to get up here, so I'm not shocked that no one took it, but I'm grateful. You would think that this boy would be tired. Ready? But he's not. He's not. He wants to play with his giraffe. Hi. Bring it over here. Yeah. I know. We got some light shining from the phone, so he's a little distracted. But we were playing with his giraffe. Cooking some more pasta. No more tortellini. We're going to have farfalle, however the heck you say it, with some red sauce. We got the sauce and some basil poured over this, and we're just heating that up and going to mix it together, then eat it. Time to eat some of this pasta. Pretty plain, but it's still good. I mean, it's pasta, sauce, and some basil. Simple, but I would recommend. Cheap, quick meal. Pretty good. What? Nightly walk. Come here. We got a trailer coming. Huts, are you enjoying the nighttime walk? You are? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Hudson, hi. Hi. Okay, you want to keep going? All right. Really quickly, just going to document the purple sky, purple sunset that's going on here. Sedona's got a unique looking sky, that is for certain. We're going to stay here a couple more nights, I think. And we'll try and capture it on the drone tomorrow. The purple sunsets. Super freaking cool, dude. Super sweet.